Sun peeks shyly through the gray. Another life begins this way. Small hands ache with daily toil on unforgiving, barren soil. No gentle tales, no soft goodnight, just shadows claiming morning's light. Oh, the dawn should never break on shoulders bent for hardship's sake. Childhood dreams begin to fade in a silent, bitter parade. Hearts learn sorrow far too soon beneath the dim and lonely moon. School bells ring in distant lands, while burdens weigh on tiny hands. She carries water, carries fear, a quiet, unacknowledged tears. Survival's call, a urgent plea, swallowing all that's meant to be. Oh, the dawn should never break on shoulders bent for hardship's sake. Childhood dreams begin to fade in a silent, bitter parade. Hearts learn sorrow far too soon